Hi friends, in the previous video we have discussed about how to add the research papers to the Google Scholar, as well as we also came to know about I10 index from the previous video. In this video we will discuss about important topic, that is what is ORCID or what is meant by ORCID ID. ORCID full form is Open Researcher Contribution ID. So ORCID distinguishes you from every other researcher with the same or similar name to you. So if your name and other person name both are almost same, so here in order to make differentiation, a unique ID is to be given for every author, and it is done by ORCID. An ORCID is a digital unique ID which can be generated at a free of charge for every researcher who is registered in the ORCID website. So for example, you can see here there is one author called B. Harish. He belongs to engineering discipline. Okay, he had published a paper whose title is say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so and so. Okay, see the second author, his name is Harish B. He belongs to sciences group or sciences discipline, and he published a research paper whose title is say POIU, LKJ, and so and so. If you observe the two authors, the name of the two authors is almost same. Harish here and here also Harish. So there might be a problem in the indexing or certain databases while taking or calculating the H indexes, or while revealing the author's details. E may include, or the database may include another author name also instead of your name. So that is the reason a digital unique ID has to be given for each and every author to avoid this confusion or problem. So how to create an ORCID ID? So look here, open Google, type ORCID here. So here you can see the link ORCID, click here ORCID. So ORCID web page will be opened. You click sign in or register here. Okay, in the top right side you can see sign in or register. You click here sign in or register. Okay, so a page will be opened like this. So sign into ORCID or register. You click register here. Here details will be asked of a particular researcher or a scientist, like the name, the first name, the last name, designation, qualification, your phone number, your Gmail ID, as well as very important thing is your institute email ID. Okay, your institute email ID, it is also important. It is also asked in this registration process. So you need to keep all these details with you before registering. Okay, so as I already have the ORCID ID here, so I am not going into the registration process. So directly I am signing into the, I have given my registration ORCID ID as well as ORCID password, and I have clicked sign into ORCID. So you can see another page here open with my name here, Basavoju Harish. Okay, so you can add some details here which are not already added previously. For example, employer name, where you are working. Okay, so education qualifications and all. So you can give here also, no problem. You can upgrade that also. If you are already given, you can update later also. Okay, so you go down here, you can see my publications here. design and performance comparison among various types of adder topologies. See the second, you can see the second publication. Go down, you can see other publications also. Okay, so like this, your already published papers, you can see the source from where all these papers are included into the RCID. You can see the source here. Source Basavoj Harish via Scopus elsewhere. Means all these papers, all these titles were taken from Scopus database. Okay, so here there is the unique RCID ID is given, and all the papers were taken from the Scopus database. If you think that any paper which is not belonging to your profile, you can remove that here by using these tools here. You can remove that paper. Okay, so nowadays all the editorial interfaces, means the interface which is used to upload the details of your research paper before communicating the paper to the particular journal. So all the editorial interfaces are asking RCID ID. Okay, so it is mandatory for a researcher, for an active researcher, to have an RCID ID if he wants to publish his paper in a reputed publishers or reputed journals. Okay, so and the registration or the creating the RCID ID is free of charge. So if you are an active researcher, so go to the RCID website and create your own RCID ID immediately. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.